Nicky Voltamada devastated after scoring an own goal. I mean, what was he thinking? Because maybe we could say that he was defending, but guess what? He was facing his own goal, and of course, the goalkeeper could totally do nothing about it. Sunderland won, Newcastle United nil. What a beautiful own goal from Nicky Voltamada, the German international striker right there is devastated after putting the ball in his own net. Nicky Voltamada's own goal versus Sunderland is trending across social media. Drop your reactions in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about the goal, and of course, it's really weird to think that Nicky Voltamada will walk away with an own goal in the wear time derby right there between Sunderland and Newcastle. Bye for now.